The Agile project team has chosen a feature from the product backlog to work on. The feature is estimated to take 6 weeks to complete and will be reviewed by the customer upon completion. The Agile project manager must determine the best next step to ensure the team adheres to Agile principles and maintains an efficient workflow. What actions should the Agile project manager take next? A. Arrange the workspace for the team members to get started. B. Inform the customers of the 6-week duration. C. Inform the team that 6 weeks is too long and they will need to decompose the feature into smaller increments. D. Inform the team they need to conduct daily stand-up meeting. During the development of a data center project, the project manager observes that some of the work being performed by the project team is not part of the baseline scope. To address this, the project manager reviews the work completed and compares it against the project management plan to identify discrepancies and ensure alignment with the approved scope. A control scope. B. Manage scope. C. Validate scope. D. Monitor scope. The product owner would like to see how much work remains to be done on a project. What would be the best Agile tool to display this? Burn-up chart, velocity chart, cumulative flow diagram, burn-down chart. During the development of a product, the project team is having disagreements about the best approach and methods to implement certain features in the product backlog. The Agile project manager needs to determine the most effective way to help the team resolve the conflict and move forward. A. Coach the team to a resolution. B. Direct the team to a resolution. C. Delegate tasks to find a resolution. D. Remind the team that only the Agile project manager can approve the resolution. Consider the following statements about projects. Which one accurately describes the nature of a project? A. Projects are ongoing operations designed to create a unique product, service, or result. B. Projects are temporary endeavors undertaken to create a unique product, service, or result. C. Projects are temporary operations conducted solely to improve a business. D. Projects are ongoing operations focused on improving existing business products. You are managing an Agile project and the sponsor has requested to know how much work remains to be completed. The project manager has scheduled a meeting with the sponsor for the following day. Which tool would be the most appropriate for the project manager to bring to the meeting? A. Project calendar. B. Earned value charts. Pareto chart. D. Burn down chart. The project manager is struggling to collect requirements from the customers as they are finding it difficult to logically organize the requirements into meaningful groups. Which tool would best assist in grouping the requirements effectively? Affinity diagram. B. Prototype. C. Requirements documentation. D. Decomposition. In the context of Extreme Programming XP, which practice is specifically designed to help create a shared vision and common understanding between developers and customers. A. Retrospectives. B. Iteration review meeting. C. Daily stand-up meetings. D. Metaphors. After completing the sprint planning meeting, what is the primary output that the Agile project team produces? A. User backlog. B. Sprint requirements. C. Sprint backlog. D. Product backlog. The project manager has determined that the schedule performance index SPI is 0.7 and the cost performance index CPI is 0.9. When presenting the project status to the company stakeholders, what should the project manager communicate about the project's progress? The project is progressing on schedule and within budget. B. Delays from a few vendors have caused the project to fall behind schedule. C. Some project expenses have exceeded the allocated budget. The project is behind schedule and over budget. During a presentation to senior stakeholders, the project manager addresses their concerns about the project's lack of progress. The project manager explains that the delay is due to a contractor who was impacted by a major flood a few weeks ago. What process does this situation best describe? A. Planned communication management. B. C. Conduct communication. C. Control communication. D. Manage communication. Mark and Bill, team members working on the office move project, are in conflict over the sequence of tasks. Mark believes the furniture should be moved first, while Bill thinks the computers should be moved first. Their disagreement has caused delays, and they have decided to postpone making a decision about the sequence until a later time. What conflict resolution technique best describes this situation? A. Compromise. B. Postponing. C. Accommodating. D. Withdrawal. While working on the development of a new smartphone, the project team have identified a specific set of performance measurements that the phone must meet upon completion. These measurements include how quickly the phone can boot up and shut down. Where should the project team document these specific performance measurements? A. Quality management plan. B. Quality checklist. C. Quality matrix. D. Requirements traceability matrix. The project team, 3 weeks into execution, is struggling with interpersonal conflicts and disagreements on how to proceed with certain tasks. The project manager frequently steps in to address and resolve these conflicts. What process is the project manager performing? A. Acquire team. B. See control resources. Control scope. D. Manage team.